Okay, so let's find equation from a vertex v colon -1, -4. And a point, let's call it PT, open bracket, -2, -3. Okay, so we're going to start by carefully writing down vertex form that we just learned. Y equals A open bracket, X minus P close bracket squared plus Q. We're going to carefully substitute the vertex. So remember, the vertex above is -1, -4. And we have to substitute with brackets. So Y equals A open bracket, X minus open bracket, the X value of the vertex. Excuse me. Then we can just put the Y value of the vertex because it's exactly as is. Now it's going to clean up a ton. So Y equals A open bracket, X plus 1, two negatives side by side, still squared, minus 4. I'm going to skip a line. So that was just substituting the vertex. Remember, opposite of what's inside the brackets, same as what's outside the brackets, then you don't have to do this ridiculous middle step. So now, off to the right, we have the point xy, x comma y. In red at the top left, I should have labeled the vertex PQ, whatever. Okay, we're back to the point off to the right, -2, -3, and we're going to carefully substitute that in for x and y. So y is -3, so -3 equals A open bracket. The x value is -2 plus 1, still squared, minus 4. Left-hand side, -3 equals, now we have an A. Now let's do bedmass, the brackets. -2 plus 1 is -1. Squared is 1. So I have to say A1 or 1A minus 4. Now, can I do 1 minus 4? No. If I do 1 minus 4, no, they're not like terms. It's 1A minus 4, so I have to add 4 to both sides. -3 plus 4 is 1 equals A. And rewrite your second, if you do it the quick method, line with both the A value you just figured out and the vertex that you already put in. Successfully going from a vertex and a point to vertex form. Let's graph it. So we know x squared starts at 0, 0. We need to go to the left one, opposite of inside the brackets, because we know that the vertex is opposite of the inside of the brackets, same as the outside of the brackets. So back to the graph, we need to go left 1 to -1 and down 4 to -4. Put the point there and call it -1, -4. Now we know that the A value is 1. So we can go 1 squared is 1, up 1. 2 squared is 4, up 4. Symmetrical points, and we can draw our parabola. And we can make sure that it has the vertex that we were talking about, and it also has the point. -2, -3. Obviously. So we've got another equation down below. We do exactly the same method, but this time it gives you an x-intercept of 4. And you must remember that an x-intercept of 4 is the point 4, 0, and that will remind you how to do the next step. So not in the videos and the notes yet, so you may be watching this video at the time, whatever. You can find the equation in vertex form if you have a vertex and a point, or 2 horizontal points and 1 other point. And that will be posted this year, next year, I don't know. Okay, so that's finding vertex form from a vertex and a point, and knowing that if you have 2 horizontal points and another point, you can also find vertex form. Okay.